Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use templates on CapCut. So if you don't want to edit your videos from scratch, you can easily edit your videos by using the CapCut templates. So here, just head to the templates button here. Okay, and you'll find there are lots of templates that you can freely use, and here the number of footage shown here, the number of footage need for you to use the template. This one is 8, this one is also 8. Okay, this one is only one photo. Let's say I'm going to use this template, so click on the use template button and then add your videos or photos. Here I'm going to use a photo, for example this photos right here. Click on next and wait for the templates to load, and just like that the video has been created in an instant, and you can just click on export, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.